Test. Okay, this works. Okay, this works. Perfect. Okay. New week, new me. What's the plan for this week? Okay. First things first. Trade card.
I never
Today's
dollar
trade
cost
card.
average.
Yep. So, check economic calendar. We had news already. Let's open Forex Factory. Nothing until 8 p.m., 11 p.m. my time, so irrelevant. One piece of news already happened today. Empire State Manufacturing Index. Perfect. Review market conditions. That's one of my pre-market checklists. So, first things first, we have a 2-day CVA right here, a balance area, RTH balance area. I have a balance area overnight.
What is the current outlook? Are you trading what is? Are we imbalanced / trending or rotational? Is VWAP holding?
Overnight, we poked above, failed, and then traversed the whole fucking thing. Amazing. That in itself is, I would say, rotational sign, since especially because we bounced off of this spot already. We can definitely do something like this to continue pushing lower. Okay, so 25.10 could be something like that, or a failed. If we are truly rotational, we can just poke below, reject, and then continue traversing this 300 point range. So that's on CVA. Let me just take a screenshot, put it on the high time frame chart. So number one, CVA break from CVA failed overnight. That is not very good for bulls. Number two, we already traversed 300 point range on NQ. Number three, can we fail breaking down below 25k? come back into CVA and traverse it back up? Question mark. So that's the first kind of idea I have, which is this, because we already traversed it. Or a retest of 25k for reoffer would also be nice. Okay. Reoffer at 25k is also a possibility.
Big buy.
Right, that's when it comes to market profile. Then we have monthly VWAP. We are outside of monthly developing value, starting to become imbalanced up, down, which is interesting. On the monthly, obviously, on Friday we were below last month's value. Found pretty aggressive bid jump up into value, but then overnight we sold off. Not able to sustain within the value, so that's a bearish sign, I would say, on the monthly. Maybe a reoffer at 120s would be interesting. So let's write that down. Monthly VWAP 120s reoffer off of -1 developing value area low. Okay, that's a bear sign. Then we have CVA bear sign, the fact that we couldn't sustain above overnight, went down, traversed it, and now at the lows, so could continue pushing lower. Let's see, I don't know. So far, 2 bear signs. Number 3. Ultimate target could be 780s, value low again from here. On the week, obviously the week just started, so not much to go off of there. The only thing is previous week's value right here. We started strong, kind of at the value low, got up to around midpoint, maybe a bit less, and then sold off again. So we're currently below last week's value, which is a bear sign, I would say, if we are not able to sustain value on the last week. Maybe we're in search for new value lower. So that's also a bear sign. We are imbalanced on the day. Can we find maybe a reoffer at 100? So from the monthly at 120, weekly 110-ish. Okay, I'll put a line in the sand around 110-ish, 120-ish. Right here. Bullish above, bearish below kind of thing. Well, not as simple as that. Okay, so weekly VWAP, reoffer at 110 off of -1 developing value area low. So far everything is pointing down, even though we already traversed it 300 points. I'm gonna be looking at the market profile. If we go below 25k, reclaim it, and then rebid 25.12, that's gonna be a bull sign. So far it's not looking good for the bulls. So overall, Resistance 25, 120. Boom, boom. Now 15 minutes until the open. What did I want to do? I wanted to open my own stream. To enter the link in my journal. Okay. Alright, I think we're good. Now.
Big buy.
Big buy. No. A quick write-up. I am a pullback trader. I wait for pullbacks before initiating a position in a rhythm. Okay?
I act on my edges without reservation or hesitation.
Yes, I'm trying to. Thank you, man. Now, I wait for the hand to be shown and not trying to catch a falling knife. Okay? I respect my DLL and walk away after 4R. I walk away after 3 Ls in a row. And lastly, I take 10 minutes break after every trade. Okay? Boom. My mantra.
Big sell.
So overnight we had, from the open, we had buyers in control on the cumulative delta. Now we seem to be under zero. So something changed. Let's see something on financial juice. Don't see anything red, so should be good.
So we don't have to worry about it today.
Let's see what Merit is up to on NinjaTrader Live.
Oh, it says they're going to come out with NFP this Thursday. So, okay. That's probably from the last month, yeah. Okay. But does that still say tentative? It says, yeah, it says tentative still on that. Oh, no, it's at 8:30 a.m. Okay, tentative is unemployment claims on Thursday. All right. All right. Today looks like a pretty packed week. We've red folder almost every day. Not tomorrow, though. Not today. Okay. So the end of the week might get faster. This morning's starting out fast. I was thinking on Friday, you know.
What else is there for me to do?
I was like literally in a long position that I got stopped out.
I did my DRC,
Annoyed. And then we went to this and I tried like a little cute short.
defined my rules, reviewed higher time frame, line in the centers there. Now I need to wait for RTH to start and
Big sell.
show me a sign. Show me a sign. go under the
Night after taking out that low from
market profile value,
but we're kind of just back in the range.
breakout pullback, or return
Go
pullback
for the 7th.
are the two setups that I am going to look for,
Yeah. Yeah.
and
dude,
hopefully I will be able to see them in
I
time.
joked to my chat. I was like, well, I'm putting my bear hat on still for next week, and then I was like, you know what? I actually want to go buy a bear hat.
123 offer really sounds nice,
I got
but
this in the mail.
it's within value,
Well, you gotta get a bull hat too.
and I do
That's
wonder.
true.
Yeah, okay, we'll see.
Yeah,
We'll
so
see what
check out
intraday
the
brings.
USD. When Friday's high,
Which side is going to be more aggressive based on cumulative delta and
marked out like 4
and stuff
hours,
like
so
that.
we dropped off from there. Question is, yeah, I think we moved right 300 points already. for Nasdaq. Let's see,
Okay, is this thing playing?
350 points, but we've been having larger moves. And the average true range of Nasdaq over the last 5 days is 500 points, 502 points.
Okay, this is nice and chill. Okay. $75. Just noticed something. This zone right here, you see how we sliced through it, poked below, and then went all the way back up? So, similar here almost. That's this giga. Okay, bad. This giga CVA. We'll keep an eye on it. Maybe it's gonna bring us something like that. Reoffer at 970s. Or it's gonna bring us something like that. Poke into it, rejection, go back into this one, reoffer, rebid, and continue pushing higher. I'm currently trading minis. Let's see. Hope this is not a mistake. Lock in.
I take 10 minutes break after every trade.
Yes. I will take a 10 minutes break. Or even more. Go play a game of League or something. Three minutes.
Big sell. NQ, -2 touch. Big sell.
Chart, color scheme you got there. Thanks. Yeah, I was using darker colors for a while, and then I switched to white background, and the white background was like hurting my eyes, so I had to go with a little bit of a lighter gray.
Here we go.
Okay, market is open. I hope it's not going to drop to TP without me, please. Not that fast.
I'm
Not
probably
that
gonna have
fast.
to short here on the
I did
euro.
trace a little
Whenever
trade.
you think that that's typically when we do that. Mondays, honestly, keep just go. Yeah, just drops or gap and go.
No! Stop! Not that fast. So you already traced the 15
Big buy.
What I see at the moment is that we are below value on the CVA. 25.11 is the retest of that. Somewhere here. That was pretty strong buy up. Well, maybe not as strong, but 500 is pretty strong. That is way too strong.
Big buy.
I think that's a bold sign in itself. We're getting back into the CVA. If we can rebid somewhere here, that would be nice. Although we are 2 minutes in, and this was a pretty strong buy up. We poked below monthly value, prior value, and bought it back up. We're at the +2 already on the day, 2 minutes in.
Big buy.
Quite shallow selling here. So that could be a
Big sell. Big buy.
an opportunity.
Big sell.
Whoa, what is this? I don't understand. Why are these...
Big sell.
Like, what the hell is this? It's like jumping around.
Big sell.
Big sell, 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 but we're pushed and built. So... I'm not gonna lie. It's kinda looking bullish. Especially because this node right here, am I showing the right thing? Yes.
What about now?
ETH -1 and RTH -1.
You guys are speaking?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. I just was like
No.
silent.
Pretty strong buying, so I'm gonna try.
Concentrated. I think that there's a Fed member speaking right now. Let me check. What's he yapping about? Let's see. Yeah, Fed Jefferson's speech on monetary policy and economic outlook. He said anecdotal reports about the job market have been mixed. Some firms have slowed hiring or cut back. Others are adding employees and investing. He also said available information seems consistent with gradual cooling to both labor supply and demand. He said that upside risks to inflation have likely declined somewhat, with tariff effects likely temporary. Okay. And he also said the balance of risks has shifted in recent months with increased potential downside to employment. All right. Current federal policy rates still somewhat restrictive.
A little scary, not gonna lie.
Yeah, he's been saying a lot of comments so far. And he also said it's unclear how much official data will come out before the meeting. Yeah, so they don't really know as much either. Okay, great. Let's see, the close was here. I'm just marking out
Big
our
sell.
macros. And then I'll take off the RTH hours.
Wait for breakdown.
Big sell.
Yes, traded into pediment for a while. You get, let's see what kind of reaction is going to be. I'm watching SPX as well, so SPX opened at my key level, so which I had it yesterday. So honestly, I wanted to see like loans from this area on SPX where you open. But fortunately, we don't have setup yet, so like I don't feel FOMO yet about this.
I'm happy with going out at VWAP.
Open, I guess. Yeah, quick scalp to
Or I'm
I
happy
don't know.
with going
into
out
Joe.
here, to be
Joy of
honest.
missing out.
Low, and it just kind of pumps from there.
Yeah, also we have SMT on daily chart, like on high time frame.
Maybe a little stop run and I'm out.
Nasdaq took out that November 7th low and ES did not. That's true. But I'm still.
Deep breaths, deep breaths, deep breaths, deep breaths.
I did not take a trade yet. Looks like Merritt's been scalping. He's just
Okay,
been quiet and scalping
I will
since
just take
then.
it here, even though I just hit it.
You bought. They bought that.
Whew.
drop in NQ, I know it.
That was a good read on
NQ
what's
plus
happening
2
in
touch.
of the open.
Alright, let's see this.
Look at that. You don't have to do anything else. You just bought that low and you just making those points.
67 points. Pretty good.
Teach me how to do that, Chris.
Pretty good.
No, I know you.
Okay, that's one and done for me for sure.
Reflection.
It was a bit stressful.
Yeah, that was a
I-
beautiful
I-
film breakdown.
Big sell.
If you got MES
Poke below
contracts,
value.
only have
I mean,
two
it's
on.
beautiful.
Amateur.
It's beautiful. No reoffers on the levels. Strong buying of the open. Main idea was off of the market profile, to be honest. Poke above, traverse, poke below, go back up. Happy to take it here. Wouldn't be surprised if we go back to 260s, but I'm not holding one mini on my account for that. Fuck that. Okay. Alright, so one and done. I'm definitely gonna call it here, not touching it anymore.
Big sell.
Mainly, what did I see? I saw this pump up, right? So this pump corresponding with this, pretty strong. But then I saw this shallow volume and the build up here. Then we had these two candles and we started trading above these two red candles, right? So that's when I executed, I believe. Yeah, I saw this forming blue off of the +1, clearly trending up. Take a buy. The only thing I was worried is too much risk.
NQ,
But
plus
okay.
1 touch.
Now we're building a pretty substantial node. Current day VWAP plus we are at the DVA high. Could continue pushing up to the ultimate target of 260.
Somewhat type of human market makers over there,
Okay.
and there's this one guy on the desk who is an absolute freak short-term trader,
Big buy.
and they literally called us on the phone and asked us to please stop trading their product
Wait, why?
because we were destroying, not we, it's mainly one guy on the desk was destroying their market maker, destroying.
Oh,
That is an all-time
That's the best
top
compliment.
desk phone call received.
That's the ultimate compliment.
Yeah, this guy is built different.
Big sell.
Yeah. Anyway, so I'm definitely done. Don't care what's gonna happen now. Gonna journal my shit and fuck off.
Somebody said this is so awkward, man. What's awkward?
Yeah.
It's probably just because I was talking.
Oh fuck, I was showing the wrong screen the whole time.
Even more awkward in person.
Anyway, one more time. Here's the push up. Here's the push up.
That was an awkward comment, Chris.
We started building up a little node
Don't
here.
make me say
I
your
saw
awkward
this
comments.
and I saw this, right?
I kind of want to see if gold is going to turn around and roll over,
All of this selling on the cumulative,
head lower.
not producing a result. We are at +1 at DVA high. That's a good opportunity for it to continue pushing higher. Once
By
I
the way, we
saw
can
this
trade oil,
candle
right?
forming,
I
it's
forgot about
turning
this.
blue.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah,
when I
my
turned.
okay, we're gonna make so
That's
much
when I
money with
entered
one
right
micro.
here, and I rode it up to close to the current day VWAP.
The
The
strength
ultimate
can continue
target,
here, and
if
yes, and
it
NQ.
were to
NQ's already
traverse
above the
the
weekly open. Yes, found resistance
composite
right.
value,
Pretty much
the ultimate
exactly on it.
value is right here, 260s.
Indices are now kind of just chopping around
Right.
VWAP.
Sorry,
VWAP
300,
too, yeah.
even higher, right here, 300.
We
If it's
can
gonna happen or
reclaim,
not,
and
I
we're
don't
good.
know.
It's fine.
We
Big
seem to
buy.
be building a pretty big distribution here. So we're gonna chop around probably for a bit until we find the direction. It could be something like this.
So, Mayor, do you look at the charts or
Oh.
you all DOM only?
I don't use a dome. I only use charts. I just feel like it's an easier share and order management setup to do it that way for this arena. It's easier kind of clicking around. I also don't click when I trade. I use hotkeys on the keyboard, so everything about this setup is totally different from me. But no, I don't like you guys. I don't like to look at a dome whatsoever. I would rather use algorithms and quantitative stuff to tell me what is happening perhaps on a dome and look at something more visual for that information.
You just use a dome for order entry and management.
Only for this arena thing. In my normal trading, I do not have a dome up anywhere on my screens. No.
I was trying to confuse us.
Exactly.
Understand
That's the play.
absolute
Lots of
necessity of
warfare
the
warfare
principles of
happening
consistent
as
success,
well.
What is he
and
seeing
therefore
that I'm
never
not
violate
seeing?
them.
No, it's what I'm saying. It's easier, more efficient clicking around
Yeah.
for this trading 6 markets rapidly thing, and also sharing the entire setup for the stream. And that's the only reason I have thumbs up.
Yeah, you guys wouldn't want to look at my
Big
screen.
sell.
I'm like back and forth between time frames, between assets.
Are you in New York again or no?
No,
Oh, okay.
down in Miami again.
Oh, okay.
I was just up in
But again,
Orlando.
you're not like at your OG like setup. You have only one screen again?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. That makes sense, yeah, because I click around my other screens a lot. Let's see.
Get to 260s in NQ. Strong, strong, strong.
Bias check-in. What is the current outlook? Are you trading what is? Are we imbalanced / trending or rotational? Is VWAP holding?
Yeah, I missed that re-entry. Y'all had me talking.
Good.
I'm sorry. Did we get in the way? Let's see, hold on.
Gold looks ugly. Nothing to trade here.
Why can't I close this?
What'd you say, Louis?
Gold looks ugly. Nothing to trade
Oh.
there.
Oh, okay.
I can't trade on my... What's going on?
Chris is being handicapped, but
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I can't take partials here.
what was that? What was it? For Tanya?
I don't know.
Did it resolve, Chris?
No. It says, I have 3 MES. I'm trying to sell one. It says your maximum position limit has been met, but I'm trying to close. Not open.
Do you have an OCO order up or something? Do you have to cancel those first sometimes?
No, they're not on.
Do you have like a...
Try exit market and cancel button, and then just put on, if you know,
Try the
whatever
what?
size you want it to remain.
Oh, close all.
Yeah.
I see. Now I can buy 2. Thank you. Wow, you helped out your competition.
Yes, sir. I'm here for it.
It's like I'm so far ahead. I don't mind giving a helping hand.
You know I got your back, Chris.
Somebody
lie.
said I'm being stopped by Merit's Alphas.
Uh-oh.
Mm.
See what the leaderboard looks like for everybody.
You're awkward, my guy.
Yeah, that'd be interesting.
So far, in first place of an overall leaderboard is me have at 123. It's got almost 2,000. Or about 2,000. Yeah, more than 2,000 now. Number 2, 5.
Okay, so we are pushing towards 300 target. I do not care if we I don't care what it does. It's interesting because we push so much, but now on the cumulative delta it seems to be stalling quite a bit. So we are due a counter rotation maybe. Okay, so what the fuck do I want to do? I want to
Big buy.
export trades. Executions, export, all executions, no, not all,
Big sell.
17 from midnight, boom. Then I'm gonna import them into my journal. Let's lucid, what? Lucid. Okay. Bot sold, continue, import. Okay, imported one trade. Trade log. $280. Okay, daily report card. Max reals in a row, not applicable. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Wait, what? Account lucid. Image for this trade. Setup. Return pullback, I guess. Mistakes, no. RPB. CVA. Return to value. Trading. Copy image, paste.
I still would like to see your rollover. Because when this will be too trace on top. Oil, watching the trace on back to 69.70 here. I said I was there. It was going to just say order button, putting in the chart here. With 1 micro. But yeah.
Okay. Update trade. Lovely. As reviewed. Trades. Mental game A, technical game A, I would say. What did I do well today? One and done trade. Good read on narrative.
NQ, +1 touch.
Felt sharp. I don't know. What could you be improve? Could you improve on? Continue doing it. Continue doing the do. And do not tilt.
I understand the absolute necessity of
Goals.
these principles of consistent success, and therefore never violate them.
Max 4R TML. 10 minutes break after every trade. Max 3 Ls in a row. And no DCA. No DCA. End of the screenshots, no. Markets reviewed. Boom. Perfect. Boom. Okay, so trade log. Boom.
Big buy. Anyways, I think I'm done. The trade card review, the daily report, DRC daily report card completed. Trade is logged, review is done. Registered for a day. It's the tilters that are the worst ones. Turn pullback. Anyway, that's it for me. Thank you. Bye.